Hey guys, Amy with Leap of Faith Crafting here, and today we are going to be applying iron-on vinyl to a hat. So I made this cute hat, mom hair don't care hat, because if you're anything like me, your hair's up most of the time, right? So I'm going to show you how to apply the iron-on that I cut out with my Cricut onto the hat. And then I also made this extra special because I had my kids write their names, and then I cut those out of vinyl. So all of their handwritten names are on the hat. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do that, how to get into Cricut Design Space and edit all that and cut it out and apply it to the hat. So this one I used this mini press that I got off Amazon, and I will link that below to apply the iron-on vinyl, and it went on really quickly and perfectly. So if you like these videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any more, and let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is have your kids write their name on a white piece of paper with a Sharpie so you have nice contrast. And then take a picture of it. I just use my camera on my phone to take the picture. Okay, so once you have the names on just a piece of paper, I just uploaded mine into my Google Drive so that I can open it on my computer, but you can email it to yourself or however you need to do to get on your computer, or you can do this probably on your iPad. And then I also have, this is the file that I have on my blog, so you can go ahead and grab that, and we're going to download this. You can see it comes down there. So then I'm going to open up Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to click on New Project, and then I'm going to click the Upload button, and then upload an image, and I'm going to browse. And mine, I believe, saves in my download, and I'm just gonna type in mom hair SVG and open that. And you see when it opens, it has the clear background, so you don't need to do anything. I'm just gonna click save. And then I'm gonna go back and upload the picture. So mine was just date. This one. The other way that I've done before is to use the Adobe Capture, and that way you can actually smooth the edges out. So when I hit continue, it's really big, so that's why it comes out like that. So I'm just going to hit the zoom out button here, and then with the wand selected, I'm just going to click on the background. So that's going to get rid of everything. And then I'm just going to click on all the inside pieces here. So we get rid of all of those. And if you want to preview it and make sure you got everything, you can grab that, and that looks pretty good. So now I'm going to continue. Save it as a cut image, and hit save. Okay, so now I'm going to come back and I'm going to click on that one and on that one and click the insert images. So this, I'm going to come up and ungroup this one. And then I am going to use this one down here. So I'm just going to delete these ones off. So I'm just going to go ahead and just change the size up here to maybe 5, just to get it small. And then I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Okay, so there I have my names, and here I have what I'm going to cut out. So now I'm just going to kind of measure these and size them to my hat and see how big I need them. I decided I want the front of mine, this to be about 4 inches across, a little over 4 on my hat. I'm just using a ruler, just measuring kind of the front of my hat, and might be able to do about 4.5 like that. And then I might unlock this and make it a little bit taller so it's closer to 2. So about there. And then these ones, I'm just going to kind of put it one of them right here on the 2 so I can see how big. Right now that one is pretty big. So right now that's a little bit less than 2 inches on most of them. And about a 1/2 inch tall on that. So these ones I'm just gonna kind of put randomly on the top of my hat. So they don't really need to be any specific size. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave them like that for now. And I'm just gonna save this project so it saves. And we're gonna do hat. And then for the colors, I think I'm gonna make the names actually white. So I'm just gonna click up here and click the white. These ones I'm going to leave the same. I'm gonna go to make it. And then for all of these, I need the mirror setting because we're gonna be using iron-on. So I'm gonna click the mirror setting on this one. Ooh, that one did not attach. Okay, so if you see that it came like that, these ones I'm actually gonna ungroup it. And I'm gonna hold that one down and then hold my shift and hold that down and come down here and attach it. So I didn't attach them just because I wanted you to be able to move them around if you want. I'm leaving them exactly how they are. So I'm gonna attach them like that. And these ones should be attached. Okay, so now when I go to make it, again, I'm gonna click the mirror setting. And so now you'll see that that's attached how I wanted it. And this mirror setting on that. So I'm gonna click continue. And what it does, I'm gonna set the material to iron-on. So all I need is the fine point blade, which is already in my mat. So I'm gonna load my mat up and get going. So I'm gonna put the vinyl shiny side down on my mat, and this is a perfect project to use scrap pieces because these are just for the names. And I'm going to stick them in so they're underneath here. Push the load button, and then once the C light button goes, I'm going to click that and it will start cutting. So when that one's done, unload it. I'm gonna take this one off, and then now I just got this cool holographic vinyl from Cricut, and I'm gonna try this out. So you'll notice with the names that some of them are a little bit jagged with the handwritten, and these do take a while to cut out. Probably took about 4 to 5 minutes or so. So I am going to be using this mini press here that I got on Amazon. Push the power button on and then turn it up to 4, and then I'm just gonna let it heat up. So this is just a small little one. I've just been seeing them and I just wanted to play with one. And so I'm just gonna use just kind of any container I had. You can also find a bowl or a pot or something just to like stick it on. So I'm actually going to insert my backing of my Easy Press in here first. And then I'm just gonna stick that on top. So I'm trying to get the front as tight as I can. So this is the biggest one. gonna go there. So I'm gonna kind of fold it in half just to see exactly where that center line is. Okay, so I have this heated up at a 4, and I'm actually going to let's get this warm first. I'm gonna place this right there. And just press over on this side first. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the hearts inside here. And you can put these really anywhere you want on them. I'm gonna go there. And I'm pressing this just a little bit before I put my Teflon sheet, just to get it so I know it's down. And I'm going to put a Teflon sheet over it so I can press the whole thing. I'm going to let them just cool down for a few seconds here. Then I'm going to put the names on. Another name over here. I'm just going to get it a little bit warm first. And I'm going to put the Teflon sheet on and just press it a little bit more. So this is cooled a little bit, so I'm going to take that off. So I have my fingers under here, but I have the pad in there, so I can. Just little hearts. Okay, so now I have to put my last one on here. Stuff presses actually really quickly. Press it a little bit more with the Teflon sheet over it. And there you have it. Cute mom hair don't care hat with handwritten kids' names on it. So make a super cute Mother's Day gift, grandma gift, any kind of gift.